I'm going to show you how to play Carolina by Taylor Swift from Where the Crawdads Sing. If there's anything else you'd like to learn, let me know in the comments, like, subscribe, and so on. Let's do this thing. So you're starting in B minor. We're going to be doing a soft, we're going to be using our fingers, not a plectrum. We're going to be going just a soft, nice, folky kind of thing. Oh, Carolina creeks running through my veins, which is B minor. So we'll play the bass note, the B, and then I'll move my pointer finger to get a. And this sounds really nice with using just your fingers rather than a plectrum, just because it's got that kind of feel to it. Oh, Carolina creeks running through my veins. So after the B minor, we've got an A chord, and then we're going to an E minor, and then you stick on the E minor for a bit. So let's go through it. We've got oh, Carolina creeks running through my veins. Lost a husband, lonesome I move to an A. Came, lonesome I'll always stay. Carolina. Okay, so you've done like a loop there. The first pre-chorus bit is the weirdest bit of the song. It's kind of, it was hard to pick out, but B minor to a B minor 7, and you go to A, and to E minor, and then you linger on your E minor, but then into the mist, and then into the clouds you go to a D, to an A, and back to E minor, but I make it a fist, I'll make it D, and then you're back into a B minor for the verse. And then you repeat that. So it doesn't do that pre-chorus bit again, it goes on, it carries on with your B minor, A and E minor, and it's just lovely.